Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to replace an air filter for a 2020 Honda Odyssey. I have purchased the filter right here, air filter, and also the location of this air filter in this vehicle is right here. This is the location. So in this one, there's 3 clips that I'm going to go ahead and show you now. There's one clip right there, one clip right there, and then we have one clip right over here. So we have to snap those clips out, okay? Not remove them, just clip them out. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So you will go ahead and do that. It's easy to remove. There we go, 2. And number 3, straight back here. There you go. So it's 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this part right here. So we have to lift the thing out, and it's easy right there. So we're going to go ahead now and remove the old filter right here. Here we go. This is the filter right here, and so you can tell it's very dirty right there. So just a tip for you guys: when you remove it, the wider part goes down, and this part right here goes forward. So keep that in mind. I'm going to go ahead and place this over here. Grab the new one. Very clean. So again, remember, this is the old wider part at the bottom, this part right here forward. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Wider at the bottom, this part forward. Going to go ahead and replace it. We're going to place it back in place. Go. Easy. We're going to place back the top cover. Keep in mind, back here, I'll show you guys, there's no clip, but there's a part right there, plastic part right there that we have to snap in. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I have to be in place for this to be able to come completely down. Okay, you can see over here, it's in. So now we're going to put this down, so it's easy. We're going to go again, snap in the clips. There's one back here. We're going to put it back until you hear the click. Number 2 is right here. Number 3 is right here. So we're going to just push it back so you hear the click and hear the click. So that's it. 1, 2, 3. So easy. So again, this is a 2020 Honda Odyssey. I just replaced the air filter, and the location is here. Again, I hope this will help someone out there trying to replace their own air filter. Again, thank you for watching, and see you soon.